Righto, tell you there champs. Now today we have two exciting things from Creative. Yes, Creative. Now if you remember back in the day, you know, when gaming PCs sort of come on the scene, well, Creative were the sound gurus. Yes, every single PC had a Creative sound card. It was just a no-brainer. You may have had, you know, graphics card from this vendor or that vendor, but everyone had a Creative sound card. It's just the standard procedure there it was back in the day. Now everybody sort of sticks to the inbuilt audio on their motherboards. A bit of a shame, but Creative are still around. Wolf. And here we have two of their products. We have the Creative Z Hybrid and the Creative Outlier Pro. Both headphones. I can tell you now, I dig the look of that one. That one is right up my alley, white, and look how small the box is, okay? So you notice it's going to be compact, foldable, it's just going to be good for travel. This one here is your earbud type, like your AirPods, etc., and both active noise cancelling. We'll just have a look on the back there, some features here, active noise cancelling. So that's like transparency mode on the AirPods. We have up to 60 hours battery life. I'm assuming that's like if you put it back in the case, how many times it will charge. 15 hours per charge, 15 hours, what? Got to put that to the test. If that's 15 hours, that just puts this on another level compared to AirPods. Touch controls, AECC, Bluetooth 5.2, wireless charging, you know, sweat proof, works with Siri and Google Assistant. Yeah, well, at least it looks like it's going to be a good thing. And this thing here, now usually I do go for the earbud type, but this thing here, this one very interesting to me because it's so small and I do like the look of it. So yeah, again, active noise cancelling, up to 27 hours battery life, has ambient mode, Bluetooth, supports all the assistants, and of course you can use this with the cable as well. Foldable, and that's the thing. If it's such a small box like this, you know, I'd rather have that than, you know, putting these in the ear canal, which, you know, the good thing about these is, you know, they're super small and compact, but if there's something like this, really small like this, I mean, I like the look of it. Well, at least in the picture, we'll have a look in a sec, but yeah, it's very interesting. Let's have a look anyway. Now, I would assume being Creative, the sound should be on point. The sound should be spot on. Creative are known for sound, and there you go, that nice sort of felt pouch there. That's cool. And we get USB type A to USB type C charger, and then we also have the cable, so you can run this using the cable, using mini jack, or you can, you know, have it wireless. But that's how small it is, how compact it is. You know, it's very easy to travel with. And there we go. Oh, yes, yes, yes. The white I'm looking after. This is right up my alley, this white, and it's a nice white. It's not glossy, it doesn't look cheap, and it's white. It's like a pure white, not one of these off cream, bone, beige, ivory, or whatever the hell they call them. This is white how it should be. It'll be interesting to see how it is in a year's time. And grey there, woof. That's what I'm talking about. That is nice. That is a good design. Yeah, it's plasticky, but it feels very solid. So yep, nice. I'm liking that design there. Adjustable there and there. We have the USB type C there. We have the volume. That's a power button, and that's ANC, active noise cancelling there. So yeah, everything you need. And you'll see there that it has breather holes, or you know, where it can, you know, sample the outside audio so it can use this active noise cancelling. These feel nice. I'll leave a link in the description to the pricing, but one good thing about this is it's light, and it's starting to get a bit hot now here in Melbourne town, and yeah, it's going to be interesting to see how these go. Straight away I like the look of them. I'll have to test out how they sound and the battery life and the comfort. Stay tuned for that video. But let's have a look at these now. These are the Outlier Pro. To be fair, that is a weird name for a headphone. And there you go, look at that. Now these aren't white, of course, but they look very well packaged. I do like their packaging, very nice. You have the instructions on charging, etc., and how to pair them. I sort of wish they were white, to be honest. Like, you know, these ones here, you know, I prefer white. That's just me. It's sort of like a bronze goldy colour to it, if you have a look at it. Big case. No wonder it can do 60 hours. And there you go, Super X-Fi ready. One of Creative's sound signatures there. We have some LEDs there, USB Type-C, and it is wireless charging, which is very interesting. We do get a cable in there to charge this if you don't want to wirelessly charge. All this paper that no one reads, and yeah, they're the buds themselves. Very interesting. You know, they have touch controls as well. We'll have to go through that when I review them, but these things look very interesting. I'm really liking the look of these ones here, and these ones promise to have really good performance, these buds, these Outlier Pro, which is a strange name, but we'll see how we go there. Yeah, stay tuned for my full review on these. Catch you in the next one. Tally ho.